In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Whether you're crafting a stunning presentation, creating an engaging social media post, or designing any project where a video element could add some extra flair, embedding a YouTube video can really enhance your design. I'll guide you through this simple process and provide a few tips to ensure a smooth experience. First, open Canva and either create a new project or open an existing one. Once your workspace is ready, look to the left menu where you'll find a range of useful options for your design. Next, find the Embed button. Depending on your Canva version, it may be in a drop-down menu or visible directly. Click on Embed to access options for incorporating external media like a YouTube video directly into your design. Now go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video you want to embed. Return to Canva and paste this link into the designated area within the Embed section. Once pasted, click Add to Design. This embeds the video into your canvas, allowing it to align seamlessly with your existing design elements. The video will appear as a movable and resizable element. Drag it into place and adjust the size by dragging the corners until it fits perfectly within your layout. You can make it complement other elements or become the focal point of your design. If needed, you can undo and try again until it looks just right. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded in your Canva design. This feature is perfect for adding creativity and engagement to your projects, making presentations and posts more dynamic. Experiment, have fun, and bring your ideas to life